G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pierre and this is Simple Homebrew. Just a quick tasting for you today. I'm going to look at a peach and passion fruit by Mangrove Jacks, which I did just a short while ago. I just want to taste it in front of you, let you guys know what I feel and think, and hopefully you'll like it too. Firstly though, I'd like to thank Richard McKinnon for joining us on Patreon. Absolutely awesome, mate. Thank you for your support. It's been great talking to you and working out things with you. It's awesome to have that extra person there to give you ideas and support the channel. Cheers, mate. This is a tasting on a Mangrove Jacks peach and passion fruit kit I did. It's really, really good. I've actually been drinking it and it's ready to go. It's fairly good, fairly clear. I've overfilled it and it's not perfectly clear, as you can tell, but it's clear. It's very carbonated. Can't really tell in this glass for some reason. You can see a couple of bubbles moving, but that's about all you can see. But what you're seeing is the finished product. I normally don't like a sweet alcoholic beverage, but this time I settled for the full satchel. I was sharing this one with my family during our Christmas break and everything else, and I thought I'd better share it with you guys and tell you how good it tastes. The initial flavouring when I took it out was a bit dodgy. It was a bit off-putting. I smelt it. It smelt kind of yeasty, metallic. It had a bit of cloudiness to it. It wasn't clean. After about 4 weeks, this really merged into itself. It became very clean, very nice. The only issue, and I'll tell you now, I can smell a little bit of passion fruit and a little bit of peach. It's there. The actual scents are both there. This is a scent sachet or a taste. What do you call it? A aroma sachet. It puts the aromas and the scent of the product it's meant to be. It is an apple cider, so it's actually apple juice fermented into a cider, and then they added flavors in it to make it more peach and passion fruit, which is fine by me if it tastes good. Now, the smell, very, very potent, very strong. It is very strong in aroma, very, very strong. No off smells or scents. Not that I can tell anyway. It's looking really, really nice and it's really settled. So, without any further ado, let's taste it, shall we? Oh, yep. Needs a little bit more carbonation, probably not much, but straight up I can smell the taste of peach. And it's funny, I could not taste the passion fruit when I first did it. Now it's coming through, just like the scent. It's got both coming through, really nice and clean. The sweetness sachet that they provide was like a medium low. So if you want it very sweet, put the whole thing in. If you want it tasting sweet, I should say. If you want it medium sweet, put a half a satchel in. If you want it just a little bit, just put a little bit in. If you don't put it in, being an apple cider, a cider, you'll probably find that the flavors won't be as enhanced. And luckily, these are very low in carb as well, so they're not as sugary as you would think. But just a little bit of alcohol. I think it's 4.2, and it's really, really refreshing. This is a really big go-to drink for me. I will make this again. It's very, very nice. And like I said, I try a lot of different things, and I find that Mangrove Jacks do pretty much some of the best kits in the world. That is a statement, and I want to say that out loud. One of the best kits I've ever had, and this is no exception. It's beautiful. So about this channel, things are happening. The channel's growing very slowly, not as fast as, let's say, a traveling channel or a big, charming traveling channel does, but it's growing nicely, and it's doing exactly what I want it to do. Hopefully not too quick, and I don't get inundated with too much going on, and I'm really enjoying myself. My brew shed is complete, just about. I've decked it all out the way I want it to be, and I'm really happy with that. If you haven't seen that video, it's in the series, and there's about 9 videos in the series that you can watch to see how I built this shed and put it together. And it's all done mainly because I really enjoy this hobby, and I think you guys should take it on too. Going on with this channel, I'm still going to keep popping up videos. I'm having a bit of a break. It's going to be the Advent Calendar series that I'm going to do soon. I know they're a short series of beer tastings, and I'll still do brewing videos in between. At the moment, I have almost all my kegs full now, And so I'm going to start tasting some of them. There's one that I really want to look at, which is a stout that there's a lot of smoke in it. And I've got a feeling I'm going to have to recycle that. I'm not sure it's a good one, but we'll soon find out. I'm doing a gig, local gig that anybody can come to. So if you guys want to see my band, we're playing at the Traralgon Rodeo on the 10th of December. If you're interested, pop in, say hi, make sure you make yourself known to me, and we'll see you then if you're coming. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for being part of this channel. Thank you to my Patreons for looking after me and my channel and giving me all the ideas that I have now and supporting what I do. Cheers, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.